Hey there! Welcome back to the channel. Today we're taking you on an exciting journey into the sky. Literally. Have you ever wondered how those massive skyscrapers that define city skylines are actually built? Well, you're in the right place. Whether you're an engineer, a student, or just plain curious, this is your ultimate guide to how skyscrapers are made from start to finish. Let's dive in. Before a single brick is laid, the entire skyscraper project starts with months, if not years, of meticulous planning. The first stage is design. Architects and engineers work closely to create a structure that balances aesthetics, functionality, and safety. They consider factors like the building's purpose, wind loads, seismic activity, and of course, the local building codes. Architects create designs that are visually appealing while engineers work on structural integrity, making sure the building can withstand gravity, wind, earthquakes, and the forces of its own weight. In engineering terms, the load includes both dead loads, like the weight of the building materials, and live loads, such as people, furniture, and wind forces. Engineers make sure the foundation and frame can carry these loads effectively. With the design locked down, the first part of any skyscraper construction is laying the foundation. Skyscrapers need incredibly strong foundations to support their weight. In most cases, these involve deep foundations that go tens of meters underground, typically using piles driven deep into the bedrock. For larger buildings, caissons or piles are sunk into the earth to ensure stability. Imagine them like the roots of a tree, spreading deep to anchor the building to the ground. Next comes the steel skeleton, the frame that will form the skyscraper's backbone. Skyscrapers are typically built using a steel or reinforced concrete frame, which acts as the building's superstructure. Steel beams are hoisted by cranes, and workers bolt or weld them together piece by piece. This method allows for the vertical construction to go relatively fast. Once the steel frame is in place, concrete floors are poured in sections, and the building slowly rises floor by floor. The topping out ceremony marks when the final piece of the frame is placed on the structure, often with a small tree or flag to signify reaching the highest point. Skyscrapers have to contend with more than just gravity. They also need to withstand extreme forces from nature. Host. At such heights, wind forces are significant. To combat this, many modern skyscrapers are designed to be flexible rather than rigid. This means they can sway slightly in the wind without causing structural damage. Host. Some buildings also use tuned mass dampers, massive weights located near the top of the building. These dampers move opposite to the sway of the building, reducing the overall movement. Host. For buildings in earthquake-prone areas, engineers use seismic dampers or base isolation systems. These allow the structure to float above its foundation and absorb seismic waves without collapsing. As the superstructure goes up, the building starts to take shape with the addition of exterior walls or facades. Modern skyscrapers often feature glass curtain walls that are hung off the building's frame. These glass facades provide stunning views, natural light, and aesthetic appeal. But they also need to be highly energy efficient to regulate the internal climate. While the exterior might look finished, inside, there's still a ton of work to do. Electrical systems, plumbing, and elevators need to be installed. Skyscrapers are like small cities in themselves, with complex systems for air conditioning, water, waste, and emergency services. When it comes to skyscrapers, safety is always top priority. Buildings this tall need to have advanced safety systems. This includes fire-resistant materials, multiple stairwells, smoke control systems, and backup power generators. Skyscrapers also have pressurized stairwells and often include fireman elevators that can be used during emergencies. Everything is designed to ensure people can evacuate safely if needed. Once construction wraps up, the finishing touches are added. Landscaping, interior decorating, and final inspections are completed before the building opens. The entire process can take anywhere from 3 to 10 years depending on the size and complexity. And there you have it. From the foundation to the final touches, that's how skyscrapers are built. It's a process that requires teamwork, advanced technology, and a lot of engineering know-how. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more content on architecture, engineering, and the amazing feats of construction around the world. See you next time.